2013 BMW 328xi. All-wheel drive. That's why it's X. Anyways, I like BMWs. Until they reach 40,000 miles. Then I don't like them no more. There's a catalytic converter up there. Then it's got 3-inch pipe all the way flat. Then it's got this beautiful secondary converter. Then we cut everything off. See it over there? And we ran 2.5-inch pipe all the way back into a double tip. Right there. That tip always fits these really nicely. There it is. That's how you straight pipe them. There's everything we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's turbo. You can hear the blow-off valve. Oh, that sounds good. Again. Here's sound decibels. Again. Oh, when it popped, it got to 105. Cool. Go ahead and back it up. Sky Muffler, can you hold, please? This is everything we cut off, guys.